Hey, what's up guys? How2Toby here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you the third step of how to use a hoverboard. This week we are focusing on turning left or turning right. Number 1, turning left. Turn left, all you need to do is tilt your right foot forward and you will find it goes left. Now for the next instruction. Number 2, turning right. Turning right is almost the same as going left, except you tilt your left foot forwards a tiny bit instead of your right foot forwards a tiny bit. Now you can go left and right on your hoverboard. Here it is, the walking hoverboard. Here's how to do the move. Turn left, then you get your hoverboard aligned, then you do the same with your right foot, then left, right, so on, until it looks a bit like this. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'm out.